Well, hi everybody, welcome back. Just wanted to let everybody know that I'm still here. Been poking away at a few things on my bench here lately, and was able to pick up a few kits in the last few weeks. Hang on, let me show you what I got. So I was out at Michael's. They had a few 55% off coupon days, and picked up another Bronco kit. It's my second one now. And I picked up 48 Ford Police Coupe. The bell, nice older model. Set at the hobby shop. They had this one on sale, Batman figure kit. So I picked that up. That's a good build. I'm looking forward to doing that. By Mobius. And also at the hobby shop, they had a few of these older kits. It's the AMT Ertl 32 Ford Roadster 2-in-1, and I've already opened it. I've opened the box, and it comes with the really nice tires. There's two wide and two wide for the back, two a little narrower for the fronts. It's, all the parts are in one bag. It's molded in a light brown color. Haven't opened the bag yet. I think it's a pretty old kit. A lot of the parts are starting to come off of the sprue. And it's got the clear, the windshield, and some side vents and headlights. I'm going to keep that covered up. One chrome tree. A bit of glare, but battery is running low. I have to get moving here. And the instructions. It's got two metal drive shafts. You can tell it's an older kit because they're already getting rusty. So I'd appreciate it if somebody could let me know when this kit was issued. And my wife likes the color on the box, so I'm probably just going to be painting it the box color, yellow. But like I say, the hobby shop had 3 or 4 of these kits in stock, so I might get another one. It'd be fun to do it as a rusty version as well. So thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.